Greece is an European nation situated in the southernmost piece of the Balkan Peninsula. Greece imparts its boundaries to a few nations, as its property borders with Macedonia stretch out a ways off of roughly 234 kilometers, with Albania a ways off of around 212 kilometers, and with Bulgaria a good ways off of 472 kilometers, as well similarly as with Turkey a ways off of roughly 192 kilometers. Greece is likewise verged on the east by the Aegean Sea, the Ionian Sea on the west, and the Mediterranean Sea on the south. Greece is one of the most superb vacationer nations on the planet, where it never neglects to give just extraordinary minutes. The travel industry in Greece is perhaps the most famous traveler objective, and the justification behind this is that it is an ideal mix of brilliant scenes, old history, rich customs and numerous different components of the travel industry. If you are still doubtful and looking for your vacation location during the current year, then at this point there is no need to think excessively, and we advise you to travel and travel industry in Greece. Here in this video is your guide to the commute and travel industry in Greece, and the most important vacation spots worth visiting in Greece. Greece is a country renowned for its spotless seashores and long history. It has many archaeological and verifiable destinations, which portray the importance of ancient Greek history. Greece likewise appreciates bumpy scenes, pleasant landscape, and valleys dissipated along the Greek central area. Greece is likewise encircled by water, especially the Aegean and Ionian Oceans. Greece comprises of in excess of 1,400 islands, however just 169 of them are possessed. These magnificent Greek islands have one of the most unmistakable nature parts, which made them quite possibly the most significant and well-known Greek vacationer location. The islands of Greece draw in vacationers, particularly in the mid-year. Regardless of whether the island is enormous or little, green or fruitless, it is great for occasions or unwinding. The main thing that recognizes these Greek islands is that they incorporate every one of the prerequisites and offices to promise you an extraordinary getaway as well as a protected one. Assuming you expect to visit Greece, the best and ideal opportunity to visit Greece is throughout the spring, for example from April to early June. You can likewise visit in the fall, among September and October. The justification behind this is, during the spring and pre-winter, the climate is gentle, as well as to keep away from groups in top seasons. This will permit you to lessen the movement financial plan, since it isn't in the high season either summer or winter. The English language is common among the Greek people, and this will make it easier for you to communicate and deal with them, and ask them about tourist places or other inquiries. You will find that the Greeks are friendly, cheerful and hospitable. Renting a bicycle is an important and necessary thing during tourism in Greece. It will help you explore the town and its various historical attractions. If you love to bargain about your purchase, then there is no need to do so during your holiday in Greece. This is because prices in Greece are mandatory and fixed, unlike most people's. The reason for this is that the summer is the peak tourist season, and it sees crowds and heavy crowds. Therefore, stay away from tourism in Greece in the period between May and October. The weather in Greece is very mild and suitable. There is no need to wear heavy clothes. Tourism in Greece is rich in tourist destinations and important historical monuments. You must develop a specific tourist program that lists the most important landmarks and places that you would like to visit. This is to make your vacation more enjoyable, and to enjoy every minute during your vacation. If you intend to visit Greece, especially in the summer months, we advise you to book early, especially for hotels. This is because it is the high season and it is very popular with tourists from all over the world. Therefore, search early for the hotel that suits you and book it early, to avoid crowds, and to enjoy the opportunity to choose the multiple according to your requirements and most suitable for you. The islands of Greece are many and varied. The number of the Greek islands is nearly 2,000 islands. Some are inhabited and some are isolated. If you are going to Athens, you should look for nearby islands that will suit your tourist requirements well. In the next video, I will show you the most beautiful tourist areas in Greece.